How to enable on-screen keyboard in Windows 11. For that, you need to click on Windows. Here you need to select the settings, and here you need to select the accessibility, which is at the left side of the screen. On this accessibility, you need to scroll down, and under introduction you can find the option of keyboard. Select it, and under on-screen keyboard access keys and print screen, you can see the on-screen keyboard here, or else you can press the window logo key plus central plus O to turn the on-screen keyboard on or off. So here is also button that says off. For now, if you want to turn on or enable on screen keyboard, you need to toggle on this button. As you can see that on screen keyboard has already appeared. If you want to type something, you can type here, and if you want to turn off, you can click on this cross. So in this way you can easily enable on screen keyboard in Windows 11. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.